Right, let's dive into this explainer on the DNA shield and uncover a truly fascinating biological mystery.
Get this, the Arctic bowhead whale weighs a massive 80 tons and lives for over 2 centuries. With trillions of dividing cells, it should literally be a walking cancer factory, but somehow it isn't.
Normally, accumulating DNA mistakes causes genomic instability. That's the main engine actually driving human aging.
The secret? It's the whale's core biological philosophy. Repair your damaged cells, don't just replace them. Whales produce massive amounts of a protein called CIRB. It acts like an elite DNA repair crew. When complex double-strand DNA breaks happen, CIRPB rushes in and just flawlessly executes the repair. So this raises a pretty exciting question. How can we harness this 200-year genomic resilience ourselves? Well, we actually need to shift our strategy. We move from reactive repair to proactive shielding. Meaning, to protect our DNA, we must first neutralize the daily threat of oxidative stress. Our human solution is VILAVI T8 EXTRA 90%, sourced directly from the pristine Siberian taiga. It's entirely powered by the SibXP Complex, combining polyprenols, Siberian fur cell sap, and coniferous paste. And tucked inside that fur cell sap is Maltol, a highly powerful natural antioxidant acting as a shield. Unlike CIRB, which just reacts to DNA breaks, Maltol proactively shields your DNA before damage even happens. Maltol literally binds to reactive oxygen species, neutralizing them and completely safeguarding your mitochondrial energy production. This molecular shield proactively defends your cell membranes, reduces fatigue, and really bolsters your immune defense. The best part? You only need a daily serving of 2 ml dissolved in water for this. So, will you rely on reactive repair or proactively shield your DNA like a 200-year-old titan?